Alright, so I made a couple of these gates to keep the cats out of the living room so they wouldn't destroy our couch. And this one here just had a little extra hardware. This one just attaches on the wall here with this little hook on the eyelet there. That way I can keep the kittens on this side there. So these are just attic. They go in the attic to keep your soffits clear or whatever, the vents clear of insulation. They're like $2 at Home Depot, and they're about 2 by 4. So, and the frame is just one. What are these? 1 by 2s, I think, something like that. Let's cut those up into 4-foot strips. So there's that, and it doesn't look too bad. I put a little bit of tape on the top to help it, and it's only temporary. We're going to be taking it down when the kittens get a little older. So there's that, and we'll go over this side and check out this one here, just like that. So it actually looks kind of cool with a little design and stuff, and it keeps them out pretty good. So thanks for watching, everybody.